Hello, I'm DJ Monroe with Mediu. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Genesys agent scripting option. Genesys agent scripting is available with both Genesys inbound voice and outbound voice, and it provides screen flow and text to the agent desktop to guide agents through interactions. Big advantage of this is that it reduces your training time and ensures consistency for each interaction. Okay, so I'm logged into my environment here. The components we're going to be working with today are the Genesys Interaction Workspace for the agent's desktop. We've got two agents logged in here. One I have in gadget view and one I have in the normal view. I also have the Genesys SIP phone here. And this is going to be our customer's phone that we're going to use to make and receive phone calls. I also have a view of our customer database with some information already populated in there about each of our customers. And you'll notice here that we've got some blank fields. So that's going to get populated as we process these interactions, and I'll show you that the update when we do that. I also have the agent scripting tool that we're going to use to develop agent scripts, and I'll show you a little bit about how the agent scripts are developed and what the layout looks like in there. And we're also using Genesys Administrator today. Genesys Administrator is a tool for the Genesys environment that provides centralized management of the entire environment. Okay, I'm going to put an agent in ready here. I'm going to go ahead and make a call into the call center. We're going to call Blue Sky Airlines. And we're going to apply for a credit card. Okay, so I'm going to select 4. Go ahead and mute this. Okay, so I'm receiving a toaster pop here for Interaction Workspace, alerting me of an inbound call. I'm going to accept it. Okay, and here's my screen pop. Alright, just going to maximize this so we can see. And if you notice here in my screen pop, I have a agent scripting tab here and the agent script here in the right pane. I also can look at the contact information for this caller. Can take a look at the caller's history. Okay, so I'm an agent. I'm going to go through. I'm going to follow this script. Thank you for calling Blue Sky Airlines. My name is Christy. Am I speaking with Jane Jones? And yes, I am speaking with Jane Jones. So I'm going to click next. Jane, how can I help you today? And Jane's interested in credit card offers. So I'm going to select credit card offers for the call reason and click on next again. I can help you with that. Blue Sky offers 2 credit cards, Super Miles and Traveler Plus. Super Miles and Traveler Plus credit cards have the following benefits in common. First, check bag free, double miles, and pay with miles. Would you like to hear more? And of course, Jane's interested, so we're going to give her more information. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to explain to Jane all the highlights of the program, and then I'm going to ask her if she wants to apply for the credit card. Now here in the credit card application, as you can see, we've already pulled some information in from the customer database, and we've pre-populated the application with that information. I'm just going to need Jane's social security number and her date of birth. I'm going to click next. Oops, got to make sure we put the date in the right format. All right, I'm going to ask Jane for some basic financial information. All right. Okay, Jane, that's all the information I need. Can I go ahead and submit your application for processing? And of course, Jane wants to process the application. So I'll click on process. And I'm going to inform Jane that her application was approved and she should be receiving her new card within the next 10 business days. So at this point, Jane's going to disconnect, or I'm going to disconnect. So I'm going to end the call and I'm going to disposition this as done. My agent goes back into ready. So I'm going to put them into not ready for now. Now if we go back in and we take a look at this customer data, I can refresh it. And now I see that the information that we just input into the system for her credit card application is associated with her account. Okay. This also works for outbound. So I'm going to go into Genesys Administrator here and go to the Operations tab. And I'm going to load a dialing session for the Blue Skies campaign. Oh, no, that's not right. Oh, there we are. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load it. Get an alert in Interaction Workspace that I've loaded a campaign. And I'm going to start the campaign. And again, I'll get another alert in Interaction Workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and put an agent into ready. Okay, so now my customer is getting a call on their phone. They're going to answer. And that's going to trigger an interaction to the agent. Make sure I have the right agent in ready. Okay, accept the call. And again, the screen pop has the agent script. Go ahead and mute these lines so you can't hear me. Okay, so hello, my name is Kristen. I'm calling on behalf of Blue Sky Airlines to tell you about our new first class upgrade promotion. May I speak with Pat Thompson? And Pat is available, so I'm going to click on available. Pat, do you have a few minutes to hear about an exciting new promotion that we are offering? And yes, Pat would love to hear about our promotion. Pat, I understand you're a frequent customer with Blue Sky Airlines. We have an opportunity to allow you to enjoy first class every time you fly. Our first class upgrade pass allows you to upgrade every time you fly on Blue Skies during the next year. There are no blackout dates. Our regular price for first class upgrade pass is $1,000. If you sign up today, I can offer you a $150 discount, making the cost only $850. Are you interested? Of course, Pat's interested. I can also offer Pat a family upgrade pass so his whole family can fly first class. But today, Pat's just going to go for the single pass. Okay, and again, I've got a screen to input an application. This time, everything I need has already been pre-input into the order, so I'm just going to verify the information with Pat, and then I'm going to process the order. Okay, and I'm going to give Pat his confirmation number, and I'm going to thank him for calling, and I'm going to mark this as done and disconnect the call. And again, if I go back to the customer information, I can refresh it. Now the information from our last interaction is populated here in the database. Okay. All of the Genesys agent scripting scripts are built in a graphical user interface. It's a Windows-based utility. going to open up the Blue Skies portfolio here. Okay, what you'll notice here is that the script is laid out in a flowchart. I can drill down to the individual pages within the script. So some of these should look familiar from our demonstration. And the outbound ones. And that's it. That is the Genesys Agent scripting option. Once again, my name is DJ Monroe. I'm a senior consultant with Mediu. Should you have any questions at any time, please feel free to contact me at dmonroe@mediu.com. That's DMONROE @mediu.com. Thank you very much for your time today.